One time when I got a physical in high school.
Oh, this could end real fucking bad.
One time I was getting a physical in high school. You know how they have to check your balls and all that?
Yeah.
Right.
I never had to go through that.
You didn't play no sports?
They just hold
No,
you and
I
say
went to a
cough.
chiropractor to get my physicals done, and every time we got to that portion,
Adjusted your balls.
he just no. He would just do the physical, and then when he got to that part, he would just stop and go, "Do you feel like you have a hernia?" And I was like, "No," and he's like, "All right, good enough for me."
What a horrible doctor.
Not a horrible doctor. It's a guy that didn't want to diddle kids. That sounds like a terrific doctor
Well, my
to me.
doctor's legit. They fiddled me.